Hello, I'm Wanda from Bonanza. In this video, we will be discussing how to use the Help Center to locate answers to your in-the-moment questions. The Help Center is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and available worldwide, empowering you to find the answers you need quickly. The help pages are located in the top left corner of the Bonanza site. Next, hover over Help and click Visit the Help Center. We have categorized the help articles by adding a table of contents for sellers, buyers, and general information about Bonanza. When you select a category such as the seller category, the Help Center provides detailed step-by-step instruction with images for categories such as booth setup, fees, payments, eBay importer, shipping, seller success, and much more. Many also have newly added YouTube videos for further clarification. You can also use the search bar by typing in something like memberships. This will bring up all the membership articles. Next, the community help pages. Here you can ask or see answers from your Bonanza community of buyers and sellers. You can find the community help in a couple of ways. First, hover over Help and click on Ask the Community. Or go to the Help Center and you will see Community Help in the upper right-hand corner. Once there, click on Ask a Question. Then enter a brief title for your question. Then add more detail about your question. I have a buyer that needs a refund. What do I do? Then add at least one tag to categorize your question. Bonanza's Community Help page is a place you can ask general questions about how to do something, such as, how do I refund my buyer? What is the best way to ship an item? Where can I find my booth stats? Specific questions about a product or your order, you'll need to contact the seller. For things like, when will my order arrive? Why did you cancel my order? I did not receive what I ordered. If you are experiencing issues with your booth or the Bonanza site, please direct your questions to our Bonanza support team. We have sellers with many years of experience that monitor and provide very helpful and detailed answers and solutions. We hope this information has been helpful. To learn more, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier.